In this video, we are going to see how we can kick out someone from our private servers so they won't be able to join the game that we have hosted on Roblox. So it's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, the question is, if you have already logged into Roblox account with your credentials, how do we find our private server? So that's very simple to do. All we have to do is on the left hand side, we have this inventory option. So we click on that and we head over down to this private servers option. You will see a lot of options in my inventory. You scroll down until you see this private servers. We click on that, and from here we can choose either other private servers that we have joined, and also we can see our own private servers. We click on that and we scroll up until we see these two games that we are hosting on our private server. What you do is just open up the game, but this will open up a game and not show the private server. What you have to do is further you scroll down and you will see this private server right here. So you hit edit, and then if you want to allow people to join your server, you can make it active. And let's say that we go one step back, and now we can allow our friends to join. And now, for example, we want to kick out this person from our server members. All we have to do is just open up that user and we click on remove. And similarly, if we want to add different people to it, we just want to make sure that they're allowed to join the private server. We can simply add them directly here just by searching it with their username. And also, if it is your friend, it will be shown in your friend list as well. So you just block that person from here, open that up, just click on this three dots, and you can either unfriend this person or block it completely, so they won't be able to join any of your servers, even if you have shared the public link on your YouTube channel or somewhere else. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.